Welcome back to Sandra's Homestead for Saturday, June the 5th. I'm sorry, Sunday, June the 5th. We are here this weekend trying to, it used to be a mountain of rafters, and now you'll see we're trying to get all the rafters out, and then we've got a station over there across the yard. You'll see Wayne. He is sanding them down, any kind of fingerprints or blemishes, and just touching them up a bit, and then resealing them with our heritage oil that we have to make them look nice again. And then we're stacking them outside, and we decided to put them on the far end, the south end of the house. See the pile over here? Reason being, we know eventually the crane's going to come in and fly up the ridge beam. We have to assemble the ridge beam in front of this structure with all of its posts and angle braces, and we want the crane to be able to drive straight in front of that middle post and fly that whole ridge beam assembly up. So after that's up, we know they're going to need to come over here and start flying up the rafters one by one. And what we've done is we've named some of them to show which ones are nice, which ones should be over the stairway, which ones should be in certain spots, which ones should be on the gable ends. And what we're going to do when we fly them up, the gable ends will be put up first, then the middle ones, and then so on to fill them in. But this is our project. We started 5 a.m. this morning, and we're almost done. There's 28 rafters, and we have 4 more to put up to get on this pile. So it's quite an undertaking. It took a lot longer than we anticipated, and we still have some more work to do. Let me bring you over here though. Wayne has also been working on the first floor ceiling lights. So what Wayne has done, he designed this. See in the middle of those 2 joists, there's a smaller joist that goes perpendicular, and he made it a little bit shorter in length. So in width, I should say. So when it comes down, that's 8 inches, and he made it 6 to give it a little bit of an offset. And what we've done is we've mapped out a plan for where all of our ceiling lights will go on the first floor. And if a joist happens to be there, isn't that lovely? We'll drill through the joist. But in the cases where, like this is a light over the sink in the kitchen, we need that to be in the middle of those 2 joists. So this is the solution. Let me come over here too. We have a kitchen island that we're going to have, and you'll see here's 2 that he had to make, and we centered them both for the kitchen, the 2 lights over the kitchen island. So and then here's an example of a joist. That light will just be in front of the stove, and it will be aligned, you'll see, with the kitchen sink. They're both kind of in a straight line, if you will, toward each other. But this one, we're conveniently had a joist going across, so we could just drill through that and get it ready. And of course, we have to have all that type of electrical drilling and joist work done before the electrician comes to put that wiring in, and we need that wiring done before they put on the tongue and groove on the second floor, if you will. So we are working diligently to get prepped. We only have, after this weekend, and today's a Sunday, we go home tonight, and we'll have 2 more weekends in prep before the crane and the Amish get here. So a lot more work to do in prep, and keep cheering us on, and hopefully you like what you see, and if you do, please hit the like and subscribe button, and we wish you the best on your projects this spring, and hope to hear from you again. Have a great day, and thanks for watching Sandra's Homestead.